after you've done your search and you need to find the full text of the articles that you've selected, there are a couple of ways to do this through the library's home pages. You want to be sure and use gmu.edu, because that means you don't have to pay for anything, because as a Mason student, the library has already provided that access to you. So for example, if you are in a database, you see a citation that you want, if there's PDF listed there, that means we pay for this particular journal subscription here in this database. You can click on the full text and get the article that way. If you don't see a PDF attached to the citation, what you can use is our green Mason link. This will take you out to where we do pay for it and identify you as a Mason student. So when you click the Mason link, it takes you to our link resolver, and it will tell you that this article and this journal is located through Taylor and Francis. So you can click on this full text availability view online link. It will take you to the article and identify you as a Mason student. So here's the full text of the article, the publisher's website, and here's PDF. Okay. Another way to find the full text of an article, so let's say you have a citation that doesn't have a link to it, but you can see here it's got author, it's got title, it is in a journal called Psychology of Popular Media Culture with volume, issue, and page numbers, and then this last thing is called the DOI. The DOI is a digital object identifier. It is a unique number assigned to this article. If you were to take this whole web phrase and put it into Google, for example, it would take you to the publisher's website directly to this article. However, it would not, the publisher would not know that you were coming from Mason and were a Mason affiliated student. And so it would be, you would probably have to pay for it. So here, if we copy this, which is the important DOI number, and then we go to the library's homepage, you'll see in the middle of this homepage is kind of a Google search box. This is our search of the library's holdings. It goes across all kinds of things: books, journals, videos, government documents, everything that we can think of. Here I'm going to paste the DOI and search on it, and it will recognize that as this article's ID. So here is the article again. I can click on it. It brings me up here again, and it tells me that this article is actually available through those two things. And I can click on, I'm going to go ahead and click on Psych Articles. And there's the article. And we can get the full text right here through PDF. Okay? Another thing you can do is you can, if you don't have a DOI associated with your article, you can just take the title or a few unique words of the title, copy that, and search that through the library's homepage. I'm going to paste it over here. So there's the title or parts of the title, and I'm going to search our database to see the link, and there it is again. There are others that are similar, but this is the one that I want. And once again, it will take you to the same link so that you can connect to the article. So you can search by title, you can search by DOI. You can also go to the library's homepage again and search by the name of the journal. And that will take you to the table of contents of the journal, and you just have to drill down to find the article. So those are some ways to find full text.